Guys, welcome back to Chachi's channel. Today we're going to be doing another time-lapse video. I know we've done this 2 videos in a row, but last video I had a collab with That Classic Brick, and it was fun. But today we're going to be 3D printing. Yes, I have a 3D printer, a lifeless sized Oreo. You know the Oreos. We're going to be 3D printing one of those, and we're going to be 3D printing an axolotl because I love axolotls. You can see my channel picture is an axolotl, and I own one. We're going to be doing next video a vlog about my axolotl. His name is Axel, and this is kind of cringy, but I just learned that 48% of you that are watching my videos are not subscribed, so hit that like button, hit that like and subscribe button right now, and on to the video. Bye! Final product of the 3D printer, the Oreo. It has 3 separate parts. It has the middle, aka the white stuff that's in the Oreo. You can see that. It has the bottom and it has the top, which is very detailed. They even have like the Oreo symbol and all of that. I don't know what that's called really, but like the bumps. And so yeah, I'm just gonna give y'all what the Oreo looks like, and now on to the axolotl. Alright guys, here is the axolotl and the Oreo. The axolotl actually only took 8 minutes, which is kind of surprising, and the Oreo took 27 minutes, which is pretty darn long. But inside the Oreo, I forgot to show y'all this, but inside the Oreo you can store stuff. Like you can hide something in there. You don't really, we don't talk about what's in the Oreo, but that'll be it for this video, and please consider subscribing. And oh, one more thing before we go. I have made this. I didn't show it, but it is Pokey, the cactus. So, Cacti Gang. I want y'all to type Cacti Gang in the comments below. But, alright guys, please consider subscribing, and bye.